Yesterday I thought to make something different for nashta, something crispy and tasty. That's when I tried this recipe. The best part is they are crunchy outside with a soft and spicy filling inside. If you make this recipe once, everyone around you will want to try it too. It's simple, delicious and perfect for tea time. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. Start by taking 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan on low flame. Add half cup of moong dal and fry it gently. Here I added the moong dal after washing. Frying the dal for about 5 minutes is just enough to make it golden and crunchy. After frying, I am adding half cup of water. Now I am going to cover the pan and let it cook until the water is absorbed completely. In another pan, heat 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Also add 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Mix everything together and cook for 2 minutes. By the end, the dal should be soft enough to press easily but still hold its texture. Turn off the heat and let it cool before mixing. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add the cooked moong dal mixture into this flour. Start kneading slowly until it forms a smooth dough. Knead for 6 to 7 minutes to ensure everything is combined properly. Once the dough is ready, divide the dough into small portions. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Take some dough and roll it. Now take a spoonful of cold potato mixture and place it inside. Carefully seal the edges. Gently roll it out with a rolling pin into a medium thick round shape. Now heat oil in a frying pan and keep the flame medium. Now carefully place the prepared nashta. Fry them slowly so the inside cooks properly and the outside becomes crispy. Turn them occasionally to ensure even golden brown color on all sides. Fry until they cook perfectly crispy and have a beautiful golden brown shine. Remove them from oil and place on tissue paper to absorb excess oil. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. And here it is. The crispy golden moong dal potato puri ready to serve. The outer layer is crunchy and the inside is soft, spicy and so delicious. Perfect for evening tea. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.